Alright, so we need to write out our unbalanced equation here. So we have Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus, which yields iron 3 plus Cr3 plus. So, to find what's getting oxidized, we have to look at where the electrons were lost. So the oxidation number of iron here is 2 plus, and it goes to 3 plus, so therefore it's the one that's being oxidized. So we're going to put that right here under O for oxidized. Alright, sweet. So then, we also have to assign oxidation numbers to each of these ions in this little molecule here. So oxygen's oxidation number is always going to be 2. So 2 minus. 2 minus times 7 is 14. So we've got 14, negative 14. And the overall charge is supposed to be 2 minus. So negative 14 plus what gives you 2? Well, 12. So 12 divided by the 2 molecules of chromium is going to be 6. Therefore, chromium's oxidation number is going to be 6. 6 plus. Alright, sweet. So it goes from 6 plus to 3 plus. Therefore, it gained 3 electrons per molecule. So we have to go back and write down our half reactions now. So we have the iron 2 plus, which is going to yield iron 3 plus, and here we have our Cr2, which is going to yield Cr3 plus. Alright, sweet. So now I have to balance those half reactions. So I'm going to rewrite them as Fe2 plus, and then plus, yield. And then that extra electron we have to account for, so we have to add it on the right side. And then we have our Cr2O7, 2 minus. Leaves us some room here just in case. And then we have Cr2 3 plus. Alright, sweet. So to balance out our chromiums, we have to have 2 here. So throw that 2 there. Now we have to balance out the amount of oxygens on each side. So we have to add some water here just to account for it. We need 7 of them, 7 moles, just to account, which gives us 14 hydrogen on this side, on the right side of the equation. So we're going to have to add 14 molecules, or moles of hydrogen. And then to account for those electrons, well, 6 of them were lost because we go from 2 of them of 6 plus, and it goes down to 2 of 3. So plus 6 electrons. Now we have to re-add those half reactions back together. So let's start with the chromium. So Cr2O7, 2 minus, plus 14 hydrogen plus 6 electrons, plus our iron, which is going to yield our iron 3 plus that electron there, plus our 2 chromium 3 plus our 7 moles of water. Alright, so basically, we now need to cancel out everything on each side and balance this one. So since we have 6 electrons here, we need 6 electrons here. So write in at 6. So those can then cancel out. But since we multiplied the electrons from the oxidation equation by 6, we have to multiply everything else by 6 that's also in that equation. So we have to multiply our iron by 6, and we're going to need to multiply this iron also by 6. Therefore, these can cancel out. Sweet. Which leaves us with our final equation, which is Cr2O7 2 minus, plus our 14 H plus 6 iron 2 plus, which is going to yield 6 moles of iron 3 plus 2 moles of Cr3 plus our 7 moles of water.